I've had some people ask me about my exhaust setup on the 3UZ Supra, and it's just pretty simple. I have 2.5-inch pipe coming right off of the exhaust manifolds, and they go down to a X pipe. The X pipe opens back up and then comes back down to a single Y pipe. The X pipe comes together right after the transmission. Then the Y pipe comes together maybe about 8 inches before the diff to a single Y pipe, to a single pipe, and the rest of the exhaust just follows the usual path. No catalytic converter. The muffler is just a MagnaFlow muffler, straight through. Gives a deep sound. There is a little raspiness to it, so I might add resonator on both sides, left and the right bank, later on. But right now, I'm in the middle of doing a transmission replacement. I think I killed the W58, but it was pretty I had issues going from first to second anyway. Now I can't go in any gear, so I'm thinking the synchros might be bad in it. I had the issue ever since I had the car, even before I did the motor swap, so I'm not going to too much blame it on the motor. I think the transmission was on its way out prior to the swap. I hope they get this shit done before it gets too hot. All right.